How you doing?
Today I'm going to tell you our new puppy. And my oldest puppy won't quit barking. I don't know why. So today is Monday, 23rd. On Thursday, someone had posted that they were giving away a puppy. Eyes you can't see. We look rough. We just woke up. Someone was giving away a puppy, and it was a Rottweiler and a Husky mix. And we have always wanted a German Shepherd and a Husky. And we have this boy, who is a Rottweiler and German Shepherd mix. And I was like, oh, it would be perfect to have a Husky mix. It would be
perfect to have it. And his name is Dom. That's the big one.
Hold on. We thought it would be perfect to have a Husky mix too.
I did.
Oh my goodness, he's a big baby. So I told my husband, and he acted like he wasn't really big on the idea. He was like, we're gonna have 4 animals. We're gonna have 2 big dogs, a little dog, and a cat. It's too much in our house and blah, 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 stuff. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll find another puppy that's like that, and we'll give Dom a friend. So Friday, I had already messaged the person and said I might be interested in getting the dog. So I had been talking to her. On Friday, I was like, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it. They're so funny. Okay, I need to get them out of here. So Friday, I was like, okay, I don't think we're gonna be able to do it. My husband's like, yeah, I just don't think it's the right time. My dog, my corgi that won't quit barking right now. She's around 11, 12 years old. We don't know how much longer she is. We can tell that, she's not feeling good sometimes. She can't hear. He was like, let's just wait until, if she passes on, then we can look for a puppy. And I was like, okay. So Friday, before he got off work, he was like, I think I'm going to be working late today. And I was like, okay. And so my mom came over. She had bought a new dresser for my kids. And our friend Dylan had came over, and because we've been working out with him all week. And they were here, and Josh wasn't home. It was... He normally gets home around 5:30, maybe a little bit after that. And it was already almost 7, and he wasn't here yet. And I was like, okay, are you working late? What's going on? And he said, no. My friend told me about this place that I was going to go get my car inspected at. And he goes, so that's where I've been. I've been trying to get my car inspected at this place, whatever. And so around 7, I'm sitting on the couch talking to my mom, and the door opens. Josh is here, and my mom goes, and I was like, what? And the kids had walked over there, so I'm thinking the kid fell or got hurt or something. I don't know. I didn't know what she was making that face for. And Josh walks in with the puppy. He had messaged the girl that was giving him away, and without telling me, and decided to go pick him up. Decided to go pick him up. So let me get him, and I'll show you Buster. Meet Mr. Buster. He's so sleepy. He's 6 weeks old. Okay, Dom. He is such a little fluff ball. Let's go back. He's such a little fluff ball.
He's like the only one that I play with.
I love him so much. He's so tired. He ate his breakfast and now he's sleepy.
Then we had to see his mouth.
So this is Buster. We named, well, my husband named him that because we have Dom, and if no one figured that out, it's from Fast and the Furious. It's my husband's favorite movies of all time. And when he first meets Paul Walker's character Brian, he calls him the Buster. So that's why his name is Buster. Before finding him, we wanted a girl, and we were going to name her Letty. Dom and Letty from Fast and the Furious, but it worked out that we found a boy, so we named him Buster. And Dom didn't know what to think about that puppy at first. He was very scared of him. Never like snapped at him or anything like that, but he was scared. Every time the puppy would like get close to him, he would jump up and take off. He was super scared. But it's been, so this is day 3, and they're getting along good. They play tug of war all day long, and I think they're starting to love each other. This one over here can't quit growling at them, but she's just an old lady. What are you eating? Dude. What is that? Oh, it's a piece of dog food. Soggy dog food on my hand. Okay, Saturday, so we got him Friday night. They got home around 7. Saturday morning, I went first thing. They had stayed the night. The kids had stayed the night at my mom's, so I went and picked them up. Saturday morning, we spent all day at the vet. It's kind of like a first come, first serve thing. What are you doing? Spent all day at the vet, got him his puppy shots, any medicine that he needed, got it all done.
It was so boring.
It was pretty boring, but it needed to get done. And to the same place that we got Dom from, and where they neutered, it's the clinic that neutered him and gave him all his shots, and we really liked it. So we took him back there. Took a long time, but it's all done. But that's the new member of our family.
Dom, show him your reindeer. Where's your reindeer? Buster boy.
Wait, I want to get him.
Here.
Get him, Buster. Show him who's boss.
Buster's not afraid of him.
Oh, Dom's a big scaredy cat. Careful, Dom. Your head. Okay.
Buster's not afraid of him.
Oh. Get him, Buster. Oh. Get it, Buster. Get it. You gotta figure out how to jump on the couch. Easy boy. What are you doing? Go and get some water. Go and get some water.
Get off of it! Get off of it! Get off of it! Get off of it!
Maddie, scoot over. You want to Dom's gonna sit on you. He's about to get it. Stop. Don't pull too hard. Still got baby teeth. Dom wants to play. Oh my god, it's cute. It's too funny. Don't pull. Buster! Get it! Oh my god. Oh, okay, don't start. Logan, don't pull hard. You're hurting. It's the baby. Buster, did you get your boy? Oh, get him. You better get those socks out of here. Oh, Buster, get him. Get that pillow. Oh my god, just smacking with it. Oh! Oh, get him. Yeah. Buster, get it. Tom, you be nice. You didn't like that. Hi, pretty boy. Did you play tug of war? Did you get that Logan? His big bad sock?
Mom, can you open my lollipop? Ow!
Baby. Logan, so how do you feel to get your sock almost pulled off by a little puppy? Hold on, this is funny. Get it, Buster, get it. Get it, Buster, get it. Oh, no fair, he can't jump on the couch yet.
I will talk to you next time. Bye.
Yay!